On today's episode of Maria's Mastery Minutes, I will answer the question, will multifamily, aka apartment investing, continue to perform well as inflation rises and a recession may be forming? The short answer is yes, and here's why. The US still needs 4.3 million apartments by 2035. Secondly, new construction in single-family homes is dropping, in some areas as much as 70%, so demand for apartments will continue to increase. Thirdly, the gap of affordability between owning and renting has never been higher. The median price of a mortgage today versus rental payments is staggeringly different. The affordability of owning is sadly so bad that we may see an entire generation that can never afford to own their own homes. And part of that problem is because it's really hard to save up for a down payment when inflation is decreasing the value of that money faster than you can save it. So in short, the multifamily sector will continue to see very high demand. Rent will be strong and occupancy will be high. Now, will it be as crazy lucrative as in the past year or two? Yes and no. It's going to look a little different. So with the increase in borrowing costs because of higher interest rates, coupled with higher taxes and higher insurance, short-term cash flow will be a little slow. However, with the high demand pushing up rents, coupled with high inflation pushing up the value of the asset class, the long-term value of the property is likely to grow at a very fast pace. So what we should expect to see is that your return at the beginning is going to be a little slower because we won't see that very fast cash flow. But the equity multiple in the end should be fairly unchanged, meaning your money will continue to double and triple at similar timeframes as it has in the past few years. So as an investor, you're going to need to be a little bit more patient. The days of that immediate high cash flow and a quick cash out refi are probably behind us, at least for the short term, at least for now. But the strength in wealth growth through this asset class will still be very strong, and it's probably one of the safest places to put your money right now. The coming recession is likely to keep rocking the stock market, and we know what inflation does to money sitting in a savings account. So please let me help you get into a real estate deal. Reach out to me and let me help you protect your money. Talk to you again soon. I hope you are finding great value in these videos. If you are, would you please give me a like? And I would be super, super grateful if you would also subscribe.